Okay, this is Project 5, Battling Antarctica with Shackleton. So in this project, you're going to create a personal business letter. You're going to insert a file. You're going to follow proofreader's marks. You'll use something called drag and drop. You're going to create and format a table. And finally, you'll add an envelope. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to create a new document and call it Shackleton Letter 5. We'll go to File, Save As, go to my folder that it needs to go in. Alright, you can see it's up there. Okay, first trail marker, we're going to create a personal business letter. Alright, first thing we need to do is we need to set the margin. So we're going to set a 2-inch top, 1 inch left, right, and bottom margins. Custom margins, 2-inch top, 1 inch left, right, and bottom margins. Click OK. Now my margins are set. Next thing I need to do is type in the return address at the top of the page at the left margin. So the return address is your address, the address that the letter comes from. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay. And it says to tap enter. I'm going to insert today's date. Today's date happens to be February 17th, 2016. And it tells me to hit enter twice. And then I'm going to type the delivery address. And the delivery address is where the letter is getting sent to. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay. And tap the enter key. Very good. Now I'm going to type the greeting or the salutation. Dear Dr. Appleby. And tap the enter key. I'm going to type now sincerely yours as the close. Tap the enter key twice, and then I'm going to type not Ray Jackson, you're going to type your name. So I'll just type my name. Alright. And now it says to save the document. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to correct the spacing between some of the stuff. And we're going to use the spacing after box. So it says to select the first 2 lines of the return address. Alright. Under the page layout tab, I'm going to go to paragraph group. And I'm going to find the spacing after. And I'm going to type in 0. Should be 0. There you can see it removes the space after a paragraph. Alright. If I were to turn on formatting marks, which are always good to do. Alright, so after a paragraph, the spacing disappeared on those first 2 lines. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 lines on the 5-line return address, same thing. Hit enter. There you go. Deselect text, save the document. That's what it should look like. Now, there are 7 parts to a personal business letter. You have the return address. You have the date. My date is incorrect here. I think I need to change that. You have your greeting. That's your greeting. Or not the greeting, I'm sorry. This is the delivery address. Then you have the greeting, complimentary close. Alright. We need to just add in the body, which we will do. So we have done 6 parts of the 7 needed. Alright, I need to fix my date. It says key in the date and oh, I see. The problem arose here when I was not supposed to remove space after that second line. There we go. Now we're good. Okay, so that's what it should look like, and that's trail marker 1.